Are you looking for the best Dell laptops? In this video we will look at some of best Dell laptops. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 4. Alienware M18 R2. This is the Alienware laptop to get if you want to release the Kraken, ride the Leviathan, or otherwise crave the company's most powerful mobile gaming rig. Its immense 18-inch size takes up reams of desk space, making it barely portable, but this behemoth can easily accommodate the utmost in Intel processing and NVIDIA graphics power. Because of that, our top-end review configuration isn't quite the value that Dell's smaller gaming laptops represent, but it makes up for that with some of the most dazzling display options available, like a 1600p screen with 165Hz refresh or a 1080p panel that runs at a blistering 480Hz. Who it's for? Dell's answer for deep-pocketed PC gaming nuts who want as much power as they can possibly get is the M18 R2, whose speed is rivaled only by its size. This mighty machine is solely for a specific audience, hardcore gamers who want bragging rights over even compact gaming desktops, let alone other notebooks. For notebook, read encyclopedia. Specs and configurations. Class. Gaming. Processor. Intel Core i9-14900HX. RAM, as tested. 32 GB. Boot drive type. SSD. Boot drive capacity, as tested. 2 TB. Secondary drive type. Secondary drive capacity, as tested. Screen size. 18 inches. Native display resolution. 2560 by 1600. Touchscreen. Panel technology. IPS. Variable refresh support. G-Sync. Screen refresh rate. 165 Hz. Graphics processor. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 laptop GPU. Graphics memory. 16 GB. Wireless networking. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth. Dimensions, HWD. 1.05 by 16.2 by 12.6 inches. Weight. 8.9 pounds. Operating system. Windows 11. Tested battery life, hours, minutes. Blistering processing and gaming performance. Relatively approachable starting price. QHD plus 165 Hz display with FHD plus 480 Hz option. Optional mechanical Cherry MX keyboard. Expensive as tested. Heavy, even for its size. Screen could be brighter. Number 3. Alienware M16 R2. When it comes to raw graphics power, Dell's flagship Alienware M16 R2 is the leading choice in its gaming lineup at this writing. With a decent starting price for its size and plenty of punch in our tested configuration, not cheap, but surprisingly fairly priced, the M16 R2 is a crowd pleaser for PC gamers who need a rig they can pack up and move on occasion. This is hugely helped by its sleek metal build with many connections, excellent keyboard, and lengthy battery life. Who it's for? If you care less about desk or briefcase space and more about pushing pixels, the Alienware M16 R2 is your best bet in Dell's gaming laptop lineup. This laptop also represents a rare value among competing gaming machines, with plenty of power and lots of premium touches for well under $2,000, even in a step-up configuration. Specs and configurations. Class. Gaming. Processor. Intel Core Ultra 7155H. RAM, as tested. 16 GB. Boot drive type. SSD. Boot drive capacity, as tested. 1 TB. Secondary drive type. Secondary drive capacity, as tested. Screen size. 16 inches. Native display resolution. 2560 by 1600. Touchscreen. Panel technology. IPS. Variable refresh support. G-Sync. Screen refresh rate. 240 Hz. Graphics processor. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU. Graphics memory. 8 GB. Wireless networking. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth. Dimensions, HWD. 0.93 by 14.33 by 9.81 inches. Weight, 5.75 pounds. Operating system, Windows 11. Tested battery life, hours, minutes. Strong gaming, productivity performance, thanks to RTX 4070 and Core Ultra 7. Reasonable starting price and good value as configured. Sleek metal build is trimmed for a 16-incher. Superior keyboard, plenty of ports. Long battery life. QHD plus screen resolution strains hardware in demanding titles. Only 2 configurations, though they're well priced. Number 2. Dell XPS 14, 9440. When it comes to ultra-portable laptops, nothing beats Dell's XPS line in terms of performance and premium panache. The XPS 14, a newer 14-inch size for the family, features the stylish seamless touchpad and LED function key row as other XPS flagships while separating itself from most ultra-portables with optional, content creation-worthy NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 discrete graphics. The XPS 14 also boasts nearly all-day battery life. Who it's for? Dell's target audience for the XPS 14 consists mainly of deep-pocketed power users who are enthusiastic about premium computing hardware. Like the XPS 16, this model is one of the best Windows-based alternatives to comparable Apple MacBook machines. If you want something light and compact that feels substantial and high-end, this should be your first stop in the Dell aisle. Specs and configurations. Class. Business, ultra-portable. Processor. Intel Core Ultra 7 155H. RAM, as tested. 16 GB. Boot drive type. SSD. Boot drive capacity, as tested. 512 GB. Secondary drive type. Secondary drive capacity, as tested. Screen size. 14.5 inches. Native display resolution. 1920 by 1200. Touchscreen. Panel technology. IPS. Variable refresh support. Dynamic. Screen refresh rate. 120 Hz. Graphics processor. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU. Graphics memory. 6 GB. Wireless networking. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth. Dimensions, HWD. 0.71 by 12.6 by 8.5 inches. Weight. 3.7 pounds. Operating system. Windows 11 Home. Tested battery life, hours, minutes. Slick touchpad and LED function row. Long battery life. Available GeForce RTX 4050 GPU. Ample memory and storage options. Effective webcam. Pricey for the spec loadout. Heavy for its size. Uncomfortable keyboard. HDMI and USB-A relegated to, admittedly cute, dongle. Number 1. Dell XPS 16, 9640. This is Dell's best answer to Apple's 16-inch MacBook Pro, a hardy laptop aimed at content creators and other digital professionals who don't need the specialized apps and independent software vendor, ISV, certifications of the Precision Workstation series. The XPS 16 shines brilliantly with a 4K touchscreen, top-end ports, high-power components, and lengthy battery life. It all comes housed in a super premium chassis with some of the latest design features, like a borderless touchpad and an LED row of capacitive touch function keys. Who it's for? Buyers who want one of the highest-end Windows laptops should definitely consider the Dell XPS 16. It's one of the most elite Dell laptops, with both price and performance to match. If you've got the scratch, this 16-inch powerhouse is a genuine competitor to Apple's best portable. Specs and configurations. Class. Desktop replacement. Processor: Intel Core Ultra 7 155H. RAM, as tested, 32 GB. Boot drive type: SSD. Boot drive capacity, as tested, 1 TB. Secondary drive type: secondary drive capacity, as tested. Screen size: 16.3 inches. Native display resolution: 3840 by 2400. Touchscreen. Panel technology: OLED. Variable refresh support: none. Screen refresh rate: 90 Hz. Graphics processor: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU. Graphics memory: 8 GB. Wireless networking: Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth. Dimensions: HWD 0.74 by 14.1 by 9.4 inches. Weight: 4.7 pounds. Operating system: Windows 11. Tested battery life: hours, minutes. Sleek, slim aesthetic and inputs. Brilliant 4K OLED touchscreen. High performance from Intel Core Ultra 7 and GeForce RTX 4070. Impressive battery life. Expensive. Not all design changes are improvements. USB-C ports only, though USB-A and HDMI adapter provided.